Welcome guys, another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background from a video in CapCut on your PC and replace it with a new one, all without using a green screen. This is a simple and effective way to make your videos look more professional. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into it. The first thing we need to do is open CapCut on your computer. Once you're in, click on New Project. Now, it will take you to the main editing interface where we'll start working on our video. To start editing, we need to add 2 video clips. The background video, the clip you want to place behind your subject. The main video, the one where you want to remove the background. Drag both files to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the background clip is on the first layer, bottom track, and the main video is on the second layer, top track. Now, let's remove the background of the top video. Click on the main video, the one on top. Go to the right side panel and find the Remove Background option. Select Custom Removal. Click on the areas you want to remove and fine-tune the effect. This is useful if the background isn't fully removed or if you want to refine specific sections. Now you know how to remove video backgrounds in CapCut on PC without a green screen. This method is super easy, completely free, and looks amazing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more editing tutorials. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.